Urban Green is located in Trafford, an exciting and developing area of Manchester, offering everything you need to enjoy a full, modern city lifestyle. Comprising 174 one and two bedroom apartments, this brand new development offers stylish living with an excellent amenity mix and all the convenience of city centre living at a more affordable price. Work is progressing well, with the 16th floor structure for the two duplex penthouse apartments starting construction this month. The kitchens have been installed up to level 12, and the bathrooms and en-suites have been installed up to level 13. The internal walls have been built on levels 14 and 15 and are now ready for the mechanical and electrical first fix. The rooftops on level 16 are now being installed, ready for the communal terraces to then progress. Each of these stages brings us a step closer to the completion of Urban Green, which promises to be an exceptional development and set to provide the perfect city base for renters and homeowners alike.